Hey dev engineers, ever scroll through your feed and wonder why it feels so personal? It's like it knows exactly what you want to see, right? Today, we're pulling back the curtain and demystifying the magic behind it all. We're going to break down exactly how social media recommendation algorithms work. Stick around, because this is the tech that shapes your digital world. At their very core, these incredibly complex systems have one primary goal: to keep you engaged. That means keeping you scrolling, watching, liking, and interacting for as long as possible. The more time you spend on the platform, the more successful the algorithm is. It's all about maximizing your engagement. But how exactly do they figure out what will keep you hooked? It all starts with you. Think about your activity online. Every single like, every share, every comment you leave, and every video you save. It's all data, but it goes even deeper than that. The algorithms also track how long you linger on a post without interacting, which videos you watch all the way through, and which ones you skip after just a few seconds. This digital footprint creates a unique user profile just for you. This data is split into two categories. There's explicit feedback, which is when you actively tell the platform what you like by hitting that like or share button. Then there's implicit feedback, like your watch time or how often you revisit a creator's profile. All of these signals, big and small, are the building blocks the algorithm uses to understand you. Now, with all this data, algorithms primarily use two powerful techniques to decide what to show you next. The first is called collaborative filtering. The logic here is simple. People who liked the same things you liked also tended to like this other thing. It's basically digital word of mouth. The system finds users with similar tastes to yours and then recommends content that they've enjoyed but you haven't seen yet. It's a powerful way to discover new content based on the collective behavior of millions. The second technique is content-based filtering. This one is more direct. It works on the principle: you liked this specific piece of content, so here is more content that is very similar to it. This method analyzes the actual attributes of the content you engage with. For example, if you watch a lot of videos about minimalist home decor, the algorithm identifies the keywords, tags, and other metadata associated with those videos. Then, it searches for other videos with those same characteristics to recommend to you. While collaborative filtering connects you with people, content-based filtering connects you with content. Most modern platforms use a hybrid approach, combining the strengths of both. Powering all of this is the engine of modern AI machine learning. These aren't simple, static rules. Recommendation algorithms are sophisticated machine learning models that are constantly learning and evolving. They are trained on unimaginably vast datasets of user interactions. Using technologies like neural networks and deep learning, these models can identify incredibly subtle patterns and correlations that a human could never spot. They get better and better at predicting what you, as an individual, will find relevant, entertaining, or useful. It's a predictive system that's always getting smarter. And it's not a one-way street. Your interaction with the platform creates a powerful real-time feedback loop. When the algorithm recommends something and you watch it, like it, or share it, you're sending a positive signal. The algorithm learns, okay, that was a good recommendation. Let's find more like it. Conversely, if you quickly scroll past a suggested video, you're sending a negative signal. The algorithm notes, that wasn't a good fit. Let's adjust and try something different next time. This constant cycle of recommendation, reaction, and optimization is what makes the feed feel so dynamic and personalized. The system is continuously fine-tuning its understanding of your preferences with every single action you take. But this hyper-personalization has a well-known side effect, something often called the filter bubble or an echo chamber, because the algorithm is so focused on showing you things it knows you'll like. It can inadvertently shield you from content that challenges your existing beliefs or introduces new perspectives. You might find yourself in a bubble where you're primarily seeing content that reinforces what you already think. This is a major ethical consideration in the design of these systems, and it's a conversation that's becoming more and more important. Being aware of the filter bubble is the first step to consciously seeking out diverse viewpoints. Of course, it's not just about engagement and filtering. Algorithms have to perform a complex balancing act. They also consider other crucial factors. One is freshness. You want to see new, trending content, not the same viral video from 3 weeks ago. Another is diversity. Even if you love one topic, seeing only that can get boring, so the algorithm will sprinkle in different types of content to keep things interesting. And finally, there are the platform's business goals. They need to seamlessly integrate ads, promote new features, or highlight content from specific partners. The final recommendation you see is the result of all these competing priorities being weighed against each other in real time. So, the next time you find yourself deep in a scroll session, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of data, psychology, and machine learning happening behind the scenes. It's not magic. But it is a fascinating blend of technology that is fundamentally changing how we consume information and connect with the world. What part of these algorithms do you find most interesting? The data collection, the machine learning, or the filter bubble effect? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And as always, if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.